Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. I am so glad that you popped in to see what I have created with the beautiful, brand new Sweet Memories card making workshop. It is found in this current catalog, the January through February catalog, on page 25. This is what the card making workshop looks like, and you can only get this gorgeous thin cut and coordinating stamp set when you purchase this collection. And you can see the item number right down here. I'll leave it in a link on my website, in my YouTube channel. You'll be able to go into the comment section and I'll have all the information that was used for the cards that I created. And I did a basic, better, and a best option. And I'll give you all of the details as far as the supplies go. And then there will be a guide available when you join us for our next Palooza, which will be in March. And this is the one that I'm featuring. And you'll get to have access to all of the videos as well as the cutting guide. So let's get started because these cards are so beautiful and I just couldn't wait to share them with you. So this is card number 1. This is the basic option and it's just beautiful. Look at the dimension on this card. It is so beautiful. But here is the better option, just adding that silver glitter paper. It just lifts this card up so much. And I absolutely loved that pop of sparkle. But then wait, it gets even better because I've created a hidden gift card option for you to slide a gift card in there. And oh my goodness, I think it's going to be a hit for the recipient. And then here is card number 2. And again, it's so beautiful just by itself. But look at what happens when you lift it up with that beautiful glitter paper. And I popped this glitter paper piece and then I also popped this one. And I am absolutely, I just love it. I think it's so beautiful. And then look at this fun, fancy fold card that will be able to wow and delight the recipient that receives it. Isn't that so fun? It just is another great way to add a gift card to it or even have another message in here for your recipient. So that is the best option. And then here is card number 3. And it's so lovely with the splattering that we're going to be doing with the shimmer brush. And it adds just a really beautiful element to this card. But then look at what happens when you add that silver glitter paper. I'm just here to tell you everything looks better with glitter, right? And then here is just a really fun fold. And it's so easy and so basic. It's kind of like a Z fold. But I just thought that this really elevated this card. And look at how fun you'll be able to write your sentiment in here and your message to your recipient. And just, it's such a beautiful card. And again, look at all of those fabulous dimensions and layers with those pieces. And then here is the last one. It is a slimline. And it's just a beautiful card just by itself. Very detailed, very layered. Lots of stamping, lots of inking. It's so pretty. But look at what happens when you pop it with that silver glitter paper. It's just amazing. I absolutely love it. And then here, this is really fun. It was just creating a gift card enclosure for your recipient. And I just thought, what a great way for someone who's not feeling well to give them a gift card. And then you can put your message on the inside of your card. And that is it. So I hope you guys will join us for our upcoming Palooza. Dana and Tina always have beautiful scrapbooking pages to share. And I will be working on those very soon and sharing my pictures with my photos on them. So I hope you'll join us. And don't forget, please subscribe and like to this channel. And if you have any other friends that are paper crafters, I would love it if they would follow me as well. Thanks again.